Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Marshmallows Rice Krispie Treats, full guide. Start by prepping a 9x13 pan and measuring all ingredients so you can work quickly once the marshmallows melt. Melt butter over low heat, add marshmallows, then stir until smooth. Fold in cereal off the heat to keep it crunchy. Press into the pan evenly and let cool briefly before cutting. Serve warm or gather everything before you start to make the process seamless and stress-free. Measure 6 cups of crisped rice cereal and set it aside in a large bowl. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a large saucepan, then add 10 ounces of marshmallows and stir until completely smooth. Remove from heat and fold in the cereal quickly to keep it crunchy. Press into a prepared pan and allow to set. Keep your heat low and your movements quick for the best texture and consistency. Stir gently to avoid introducing air bubbles that make the treats too light. Use a buttered spatula or parchment to press the mixture into the pan without squeezing out air. Let the tray cool 10 to 15 minutes so the treats set but remain soft. Cut with a sharp knife for clean edges and enjoy immediately or store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.